What's up? Welcome to PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Let's get into it. Reggae and dancehall big boys Buju, Banton and Vybz Kartel is set to release their album on the same day, Friday, June 26, 2020. Their fans seemed very intrigued by the coincidence. Upside Down 2020, Buju Banton's first album in a decade, and being behind bars didn't stop Vybz Kartel to release his new album of Dance and Divas. What up, Reke? Grammy-winning reggae artist Koffee is gracing the international market with so much pride, and I am rather proud. She is now on the John Legend album, Bigger Love, with a song called Don't Walk Away. She's the featured act on the album. Proud of your Koffee. No. We don't know how the Michael Jackson really go, but last week we spoke about our very own Michael Jackson, our local Michael Jackson, Ghetto Jackson, and this week he's back. Check out in what way. Jamaican dancer Lenora Antoinette Stines filed a lawsuit against Beyonce Knowles Carter and Sean Jay Z Carter in the court of California to compensate for copyright infringement and a whole lot of artistry attack. When I say attack, I mean the rights to publish and publicity and all of those stuff, fine print stuff. And this is how it goes. Stein alleges that she was approached in January by the couple in March of 2018 to help get dancers for a video meant to promote their album and tour. While on set to film the video for Black Effect, she was told she must sign an arrangement in order to participate. She wanted to send a photo of the agreement to her son, who is an attorney in Florida, but was told that she could not do so. Stines was assured that the recording would only be used in the video, which was said to be for promotional purposes. But now the material is being sold and she wants compensation. Are the Carters in hot water, as Jamaicans would say? Self-proclaimed warlord and dancehall artist Bounty Killer Rodney Price celebrates his birthday on June 12 with family and friends. Here are the highlights.
Rodney Price birthday. It's a joy to be here, and I just want to thank God for sending him to us, you know what I mean, as a beacon of creativity and light.
Happy belated birthday to you, Bounty Killer, from the PBCJ family. Big up yourself. Chronixx released his new song and video featuring Kabaka Pyramid called Same Prayer, directed by Ivor McCrae. Just look on it. Nice.
And every day the same prayer I say, and I'm saying it one more time. When I try it in the streets, I pray. I'm begging you, please, never left I and I. Oh, judge,
Don't you leave. Inna me going out and inna me coming in. Please watch over I. Protect my family when I no localize. When chatting through these streets.
Set the trend. We set the trend. Set the trend. Set the trend. We set the trend.
Rose gets a serenade. No, that's trendy. Internet sensation Rose from Montego Bay gets a serenade. I see the smile on Rose's face. Sure say she did nice and she did feel good. It was a festive moment. Just take a look.
In another man's arms, holding you tight. Baby, you don't know the pain that I feel inside. I've got dreams. You want to hear something more? Yeah. Listen good. One Keisha Cole. Where were you when I said I love you? I remember when my heart broke, and I never want to give up loving you. My heart can't stand no more of you. I was sad and lonely. No one knew all the pain.
Well, that's the end of another episode of Entertainment Recap. I'm your host, Alicia. And big up to Ear Candy for my earring. And remember to go follow them at the Ear Candy Collection. And always and forever, big up you.